Hello everyone. I'm going to show you how that first problem that we did in factoring by grouping can actually be done if these two terms in the middle are flipped. So let's do a fun little thing here. So we're going to rewrite 4x to the third, but instead of writing negative 28x squared first, I'm going to write minus 9x minus 28x squared and then plus 63. So I'm just going to show you that it actually doesn't matter what order these two in the middle are in, and you'll still arrive at the same answer. So factoring the first two together, or grouping the first two, grouping the second two. This one is a little bit strange. 4 and 9 don't have a factor in common, and this one has 3 x's, this one has 1x. So we can pull out 1x total. That's it, all right? Then I'm going to be left over with, I didn't do anything with the 4, so that's going to stay there. There were 3 x's and I took away 1, so that leaves us with x squared. Now moving on to our second term, we're taking out an x, so we're just going to be left with minus 9. We're going to bring down the sign in the next one. Okay, so I'm going to put the minus down here. And we have 28x squared plus 63. So 28 and 63 are both divisible by 7, so I'm going to pull out a 7. But I really pulled out a negative 7, so I'm going to have to divide both of these terms by negative 7. Negative 28 divided by negative 7 is positive 4. I did not take away any of the x's. And 63 divided by negative 7 is negative 9. You know you got the correct thing here whenever the two things inside of the parentheses match up. So we can draw our little smiley face. And we'll arrive at our two factors, 4x squared minus 9 times x minus 7. But we are not done, remember, because in the previous problem we had the same thing happen. We actually have a difference of squares here. So we do have that 4x minus 9, which is a difference of squares because 4 has a perfect square, x squared has a perfect squared, and 9 has a perfect squared. So let's rewrite this as something squared minus something squared. Okay, the square root of 4 is 2. The square root of x squared is x, and the square root of 9 is 3. So since we have this, it's going to be first term plus second term, first term minus second term. And we are going to get 2x plus 3, 2x minus 3, and then our last one, x minus 7. Okay, so even though I flip-flopped the two terms in the middle, we actually still got the same answer by doing factoring by grouping. So that was just a fun little exploration that you can do. And if the terms inside the parentheses don't match, something is wrong. So that was important for the ones up top. You should always be able to draw your little smiley face there, having those two terms in the middle matching. So hope you guys enjoyed this video and have a great rest of your day. Goodbye.